I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a bath. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I eat breakfast. I drink milk. I wear my shoes. I go to school. I take my bag. I ride the bus. I meet my friends. I say good morning to my teacher. I sit at my desk. I read a book. I write in my notebook. I listen to the teacher. I answer questions.